Hi everybody, I'm back in London after spending the last 5 months up north. Doing some birding today in the Forest City. I've got a great episode for you, so please stick around. The bands on this red-tailed hawk's tail and light-colored eye indicate this is an immature bird. Brown creepers don't usually hold still for this long. Note the incredible camouflage on this bird and how well it blends with the tree bark. This white-tailed deer isn't very big, so I assume it was born this year. A lot of people are curious as to how I'm adjusting to life back in the city after being away for so long. The truth is, it's been a pretty easy adjustment, a lot easier than I thought it was going to be. And I'm basically just doing the same things. I'm getting out enjoying nature, spending time in nature, enjoying birding back here in the city. And it's an exciting time of year. You know, a lot of the birds that show up for the winter are starting to show up. I've seen juncos and American tree sparrows today, so that's exciting. And basically, as long as you surround me in nature, I'm happy. So whether I'm up north in Algonquin or here in the city, surround me in nature, I'm happy. We've got some great birding opportunities here in the city, so I'm going to get out and enjoy them all winter long. And it's just, yeah, make the most of what you have and where you are. So whether that's in London or up north, great opportunities, just get out and enjoy it. This bald eagle is actually on the far side of the river, but with a 1200mm equivalent lens, I can zoom in pretty close. Listen for the bird to let out a call. Here you can see 4 great blue herons. There are actually 4 more further down the bank just outside the frame. This is a pair of bald eagles. Hooded mergansers and other diving ducks begin showing up on the Thames River in fall and will be present all winter. This is a male. This is a female hooded merganser. These crows are harassing a bald eagle. It's obviously not nesting season, so I assume this downy woodpecker is excavating this hole for shelter. So I'm not going to share exactly where I am today, but for those of you that have followed my blog and followed me on social media, you can probably figure it out. A couple of hints. It's probably my favorite park in the city of London. Thames River, bald eagles. You can probably hear the traffic in the background, so you know I'm very close to a major road. And like I say, if you followed me for any length of time on social media or my blog, I'm sure you can figure out where I am. And it's a great park. It's one of my favorites, and I'm sure you can see by what I've seen today, you'll understand why I like it so much and why I keep coming back. The Thames River is home to a variety of ducks and is a great place to find wood ducks. Here we have a red-bellied woodpecker. Evidently, this white-throated sparrow isn't a fan of buckthorn berries. If not for this Carolina wren's chatters, I would have missed this bird. After spending so much time outside of the cardinal's range, seeing this bird was a nice treat. I hope you enjoyed my first episode back in the City of London. I look forward to putting together more videos throughout the fall and winter months for you, and if you enjoy my channel, please like and subscribe, and share it with somebody you know. Until next time, good birding.